how to create tasks and reminders. Another thing that I find to be super helpful and useful, especially if you're prone to forgetting things like me. So on this dashboard here, you'll go ahead and click Add Task, and you can choose whatever you want. So maybe I've got Feed the Birds. And you can pick what category it's going to fall under. You can choose whatever you would like: cleaning, medical treatment, feeding, right? Say this is a high priority and it's due today. And I can put a specific bird in here. I can put a flock in here. I can put a batch in here for incubation, right? There's a lot of different options in here. And say you've got something, 20 days out. I have a swap in 20 days. I can set this for 20 days from now. And it's going to keep, I know it's not 20 days. I can do math sometimes. But I can go in and I can see where I'm sitting at, and it'll send me a reminder. So I go ahead and I create the task, and it'll say upcoming. And whenever I get that done, I can just check it off and it'll disappear on me. There are auto reminders you can set. If you go to your profile, notifications, and you can see your task reminders, health alerts, weekly production reports. The email notification will be working soon. It's not working right now, so you won't get a whole bunch of spamming emails. So you can see here there's a health check due. And as soon as I do a health check and I check it off, it'll go away. So I find that to be really useful. It also gives me incubation reminders automatically, health check reminders, and if I have a treatment or an injury with a bird, it'll give me follow-up reminders whenever I set those as well. So just something small, something useful to keep track of what's going on around your farm.